Hello everyone, it's Charlion Patrice, and if you are new here, welcome. Today I will be showing you how I installed and styled this lace front wig. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, then just keep on watching. So this wig is from Beeoshair. I received a 22-inch 13x4 HD lace curly wig. Here I'm showing you how everything looked once I first received it. So here I'm showing you the full front lace on the wig. As you can see, it's a 13x4 all the way across. So look at the lace on this unit. As you can see, it's HD and it melts right into my skin. I didn't have to do much to this unit because it comes pre-plucked and bleached already, but I did go in and bleach the knots a little bit more to my liking. So this is the unit after I washed it and I just let it air dry, and as you can see, the curls are gorgeous. So today I didn't do the ball cap method. I just went straight into applying my wig, and once I position the wig to my liking, I'm then taking my scissors and cutting off the extra lace by my ear. So after that, I'm prepping my skin for my install, and the first thing I'm using is my Sea Breeze, and I'm removing any oil or makeup that I may have on my skin. The first thing I'm going to do is spray my hairline with my skin protector so that it will protect my skin. So once the protector is dry, I'm going in with my Extreme Hold Lace Glue. So I'm applying one layer going across, and then I'm taking my popsicle stick and I'm smoothing that layer out. And then once that layer turns clear, I then applied another layer and I repeat the process. So try not to get this glue into your hair. If you do, please make sure you purchase the remover also so that you can remove your wig properly. So after that layer turned clear, I then applied my lace, and then I'm taking my comb just to press everything down. So now I'm using my new Easy Snap lace melting band to melt the lace. So here I'm showing you how much parting space you have with the 13x4 lace front wig. So I let the band sit for about 10 minutes, and now I'm about to cut the lace. So after removing the lace, I'm taking my band and I'm placing it back on my hairline just to make sure everything is melted. And then I'm just playing in my hair, trying to see how I'm going to style it. So I decided to do like the half up, half down hairstyle. So I removed my band and I took out some baby hair because I decided I wanted baby hair. And then I applied my band back for about 10 more minutes. So I'm really liking this style. I really love the curl pattern on this wig, and the hair is very soft. I didn't use a lot of product in this hair. I only washed it with conditioner, and then I applied a little argan oil, and then I let the hair air dry. So yeah, So I'm really liking this little style. I hope you all enjoy this video. So I will leave a link down below in the description bar so you guys can go ahead and check Beeoshair out. And thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I see you all in my next video. Bye bye.